I'm chopping off my hair because you see this length. Let me show you this length. There's no styling. I mean, I had layers, but right now it is just not showing. I have been fighting this urge to cut my hair since I think past 2 to 3 months, and now I think is the time. The year's ending anyway, so let's enter into 2024 with some new hair. Disclaimer, I am not a professional hairdresser, so do not expect me and my ways to be extremely professional. But yes, this is what I do on a regular basis, because whenever I go to the salon and I ask the hairdresser to just trim my hair a little, they would go extremely short, even though when I do not ask for it. But yes, they never listen to the length that I ask them to go for. So yeah, it is very annoying. Hi guys, this is Zeba and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please take out a moment to subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot, and thank you. You must be wondering that my hair is dry right now. It is air dried, and I like to cut my hair when it's air dried and not when it's wet or damp. Make sure आपके बाल अच्छे से सुलझे हुए हो बिल्कुल. मैं भी सुलझा लेती हूँ इन्हें. Okay, done. And then हमें पीछे से आगे की तरफ उन्हें लाकर ponytail करना है. I'm gonna do a reverse ponytail, like make a ponytail starting from here. We definitely need a rubber band, so yeah, it's here. Let's just do. We want a pretty smooth and detangled ponytail. This is my weapon. This is a craft scissor. I do not have a professional scissor. Sorry for that. Detangle your hair again. I think I'm gonna go with this length because I do not want to chop the lengths off. I want to keep the length. I like to cut this vertically and not horizontally. Bismillah. And now there's no going back. Bye bye dead ends. Hopefully I do not cut myself, because every time I cut my hair I pinch my fingers, and that is why I'm gonna stop talking right now so that I can concentrate here. For the I pinched myself. It's fine. It's perfect. I am happy with the length. Let me show you पीछे से कैसा दिखता है. Now for the second layer, let me zoom in, and we're gonna go from here. यहाँ से बालों को लेकर आगे की तरफ ponytail करेंगे. I have this tail comb, so I'm gonna pull out the section. So we can go shorter with this piece, because this will not determine the length of your hair. Instead, these are going to be layers when opened up. So I think I'm gonna go this short. Yeah. Okay, the layers are visible as of yet. Now we're gonna go up here, and then we're gonna go for the crown section. I was going to poke it into my eyes. Oh my god. I want this one to be around my chin area, at least up to my lips, so I'm gonna go this short. This will be from here. I think we should go with this much. Yeah. If you're working with professional scissors, like a professional hairdresser scissors, then you have to be extremely careful, because they tend to cut hair more sharply and in one go. So you have to be extremely careful if you're working with those. Right now I think it is a curtain back situation, but I want it shorter, like yahan tak. So yeah, this is my hair length and you can see the layers. Okay, now let's do the curtain bangs. I'm gonna do a middle parting. My parting is so off center, so do not mind. It's not even in the middle, it's not even in the side, it's just off center. So we're gonna take it like make a triangle. I think we have achieved the triangle thing or not. Yes, I think we have. I'm gonna clip in the sides. I could not find something better, so let's use these. It works, right? One very important tip for doing bangs would be that while you're doing your bangs, do not pull your hair like this and then cut it like this, because when you leave it, it will go upwards, like it will be shorter than you expected or shorter than you wanted. So yes, just let your hair loose and then chop it off. Go bits by bits until you are satisfied with the length, so that if you make mistakes there is room for correction. I'm just gonna make a smaller triangle out of it. I'm gonna chop it off यहाँ तक पहले. I'm using the camera as a mirror, so if anything goes wrong, you will be watching it. Never mind. So yeah, now I'm gonna cut the curtain bangs like this. Yeah, I want to go this length. Now we'll have to match this length to this one. It is the same length. Now we're gonna go for the rest of the hair. We're gonna go snip, snip, snip and match it like that. I'm gonna take more hair in the front section like this. And match them to the length of it. Firstly, I'm gonna cut these pieces to my neck, just that. यहाँ तक बस. I'm gonna go shorter with the center ones. Should I go shorter? I'm just fighting the urge to, go even shorter with this. But I think for now I'll, stop right here. Okay, so I have finally chopped my hair and did my curtain bangs. Let me show you my favorite hairstyle that I carried throughout my school life. I'm not gonna use any kind of heat, I'm not gonna use straighteners or curlers, just basic styling. I just took out the face framing pieces from both sides. And the rest of my hair, I used to tie that in a ponytail, in a high ponytail, sometimes a lower one, and sometimes I used to do a braid. I'm gonna show you all of them. Okay, so for the high ponytail, I'm gonna do it the the famous Kendall Jenner style, the Y2K thing, year 2000 hairstyle. Take a claw clip. Okay, you should use a black one. Right now I have a red one handy. And then, yes, that's it. That is so gorgeous. Like, look at the layers framing here. Lower ponytail. You know what this particular look reminds me of? Priyanka Chopra from Dawn, from the movie Dawn. Literally, I just thought, yeah, it looks so similar. Just loose braids, basic loose braids. That's it. How cute is that? So cute. Just use a claw clip, half updo, the butterfly one, to make it look super cute. That's it. And this is how it looks. So yeah, those were let me know if you want me to, you know, create some hairstyles using ribbons, because ribbons are so in right now, especially since it's the time of holidays, Christmas, New Year. So yeah, if you want me to create different hairstyles using ribbons, beanies, winter hats, let me know. I will definitely do it because I love hairstyling. And thank you so much guys for literally being a part of my community. If you do like this video, hit the like button. You can share this video as well, and please do subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. You can also connect with me over Instagram. I have put my Instagram account link below in the description. You can check that out and we can connect over there. And yes, that's it. I will see you soon with another video. Till then, do take care and bye.